Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve lag on Plants vs Zombie app. If you want to fix it, so you have to follow these steps. Now there might be several different reasons why the issue might have occurred. So first thing first, what you could do is check for an update. Sometimes simple update can fix an issue. So go to your Play Store and App Store, and on the search box type in Plants vs Zombie. And here you want to go ahead and make sure to click the update button if you see so, and check whether the issue fixes or not. After which, if the issue persists on, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, you want to long press the application, go to this iInfo or the app info section, make sure to go to storage and cache, and here's to click on clear cache. And if you want to go with the storage as well, you can do that, but this is going to delete your data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then tap the OK button, or else just leave it as it is. After you've done it so, you could try logging in and check whether the issue has been fixed or not. If so, the issue still lingers around, then you could also try force stopping the application for a certain period of time. At the same time, uninstall the application and then restart your device by tapping onto the side buttons, and then you could go ahead and open up your Play Store or an App Store and once again install the application. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. In spite of doing all of these methods, you're still unable to fix it, then you could also try contacting the support team. So for that, you want to go to the website or a browser and type in Plants vs Zombie contact. Once you do it so, you should be able to fix your issue. So go to this help.ea account, ea.com, and that should be able to fix your issue. This way you'll be able to fix or solve lag on Plants vs Zombies app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.